Welcome to our complete guide on Lightyear. Let's explore how this tool can transform your projects. First things first, let's create an account. Head to the Lightyear website and click Sign Up. Fill in your details and hit Create Account. Now that you have an account, let's log in. Enter your email and password, then click Log In. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by Lightyear's intuitive user interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the key features. Let's explore the dashboard. Here you'll find important metrics and easy navigation tips to maximize your experience. Ready to start your first project? Click New Project, then follow these step-by-step instructions to set things up. Lightyear offers a range of templates to streamline your design process. Let's take a look at how to use them effectively. Collaboration is key. Learn how to share your projects with team members and adjust permissions to ensure smooth teamwork. Once your project is complete, it's time to share. We'll cover the export options and best practices for sharing your work. Encountering issues? Don't worry. Here's a list of common FAQs and resources to help you troubleshoot. That wraps up our guide on Lightyear. Explore the features and continue your journey to becoming a Lightyear Pro.